Jasmy essentially acquired roughly 4.8% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. The MA50 in a real sense is as of now at $7, which really is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin for the most part is floating at $87.3429, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy by and large has its kind of next opposition at $6 in an unpretentious manner. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues facts, what in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Basically is Jasmy an essentially wise interest in a quite enormous manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, showing that Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.8% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, explicitly let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin fundamentally is drifting at $87.3429, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,954,858, 536, 446, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The really complete exchanging volume basically remains at $57,261, 752, 591, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how 18 February 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly really clarified some pressing issues facts. What explicitly is essentially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Generally is Jasmy a fundamentally wise venture, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period in a kind of huge manner. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, fundamentally is up by 531, and at present exchanging at $112.76, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which basically is very huge. Moreover, XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a for the most part descending course for extremely momentary in a sort of significant manner. As of now, a by and large broad for the most part regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the MA50 really is at present at $7 in an exceptionally significant manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially enormous way. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchases especially become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers generally become most certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that right now, an exceptionally broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the MA50 truly is presently at $7 in a really significant manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The kind of current Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is $7, with an exchanging volume of $87.3429 in the truly beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.8% inside the most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. At present, Jasmy fundamentally is up by 4.8% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341.29 565 USD, showing how the MA50 explicitly is right now at $7, which truly is very huge. Jasmy Coin Value Examination Jasmy Cost Investigation for 18 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time span sort of made sense of underneath, showing how Jasmy Coin support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting that Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.8% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and dramatic moving essentially normal AMA to generally investigate the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 18 February 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time span truly made sense of beneath, showing how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.8% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The extremely current Jasmy coin cost truly is $97, with an exchanging volume of $87.3429 as in every practical sense recent hours, exhibiting how Jasmy by and large acquired roughly 4.8% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day outline, showing how Sol, the especially local coin of Solana by and large, is up by 531 and presently exchanging at $112.76, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Fundamentally relative strength record RSI for Jasmy coin basically is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days, certainly normal line, which explicitly implies Jasmy generally is an oversold zone and a pattern sort of inversion sort of is conceivable, which for the most part shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.8% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. While Jasmy's Williams percent R pointer really is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. Exchange. Fundamentally signal in a real sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, so Jasmy coin financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day graph, showing how Sol, the all things considered, local coin of Solana generally is up by 531 and right now exchanging at $112.76, which all things considered, shows that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum all things considered has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is very critical. Ends as indicated by our specialized investigation information. The fundamentally transient gauge for the Jasmy coin cost by and large is generally bullish at the hour of composing, which fundamentally shows that the MA 50 basically is at present at $7. The cryptographic money Jasmy coin appears to basically be on the ascent once more, exhibiting how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending course for extremely present moment, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. A critical profit from venture return for money invested truly is explicitly anticipated assuming you procured the cash some time back, exhibiting how Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for 18 February 2024 inside a very day-to-day time period sort of made sense of underneath, showing how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting that Jasmy explicitly acquired roughly 4.8% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant